Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you a glimpse into my life as a busy wife who works full-time and still manages to cook dinner after work. So, let's dive right in. After a long day at work, I'm usually exhausted and ready to just collapse on the couch. But as a wife, I know that my family deserves a home-cooked meal, and that's what I'm committed to providing. When I get home, I'm usually starving. So I start by making myself a quick snack to hold me over until dinner. I'm not a fan of junk food, so I usually opt for something healthy like a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Once I've had my snack, I'm ready to tackle dinner. I've learned that planning ahead is key to making dinner after work manageable. I always make sure to have a variety of ingredients on hand, so I can whip up a delicious meal in no time. One of my go-to dishes is a simple stir-fry. I love using a variety of vegetables, such as broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers, and adding some protein like chicken or tofu. I also like to make a side of rice to round out the meal. I'm a big believer in teaching kids of basic life skills, and cooking is one of the most important ones. By showing kids how to cook, we not only providing them with a healthy meal, but I'm also teaching them how to take care of themselves and their families in the future. So, there you have it, folks. A day in my life as a busy wife who still manages to cook dinner after work. I hope this gives you some inspiration and motivation to do the same for your family. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and happy cooking!